In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Hoist Business Account. Once you've logged into Hoist, we'll go to the Setup bar. We'll select General first, and here is where you'll enter all of your business information with your name, the address, website, phone number, and your business logo. After saving that, we can move on to invoice settings. Here you can set your labor rate, when payment is due, and also add a message to the bottom of invoices. The billing tab is an overview of your Hoist subscription. Here you can also top up credits in order to send SMSs and do rego lookups. The user tab is where you can manage your team. You can add, remove, and edit team details here. Click Add User to add a new teammate. Fill in their details and select if they are a technician or not. You can edit their work hours in the Schedule tab. Click on Security to set up a password. You can generate a random password if you wish. These are the credentials your teammate will use to log into their Hoist account.